Hello, in this short video I'll show you how to use Giphy tool and the Imgur tool. You need to put your keyword here, so in case of this, let's say Spider-Man, for example, Spider-Man, Spider-Man, okay. Giphy ID is this thing, these characters after whatever it is, like if any words make sense here. So after these words you just have this code, so this ID, this is the ID, you paste here, and you can ignore this after the update. So you can know it's after it's a new version, so you can ignore this and you just click run. And when it comes to Imgur, it's pretty much the same. So we have this here, and I just put cute here. You can paste whatever you want, and the ID is the same as by the Giphy. In case of the Giphy, so we just copied this characters after the words that make sense. Let's call it right like that, and you just paste it and you click run. And yeah, so the campaign details are being validated, and in a moment we'll see how it's gonna look like. Of course, if you're using this for the first time, the syndication reports will appear here, and we're gonna see the new folders here, like for the GIF have been already created, and it's already created the blogger. And so let's check how it looks like. And let's check this thing here. So it's loading. The page is loading because we run a couple of tools here at the same time. And by the way, as you can see, you can run several tools at the same time. We already have the source here, and I'm waiting. Okay, and we have our Spider-Man, and we can see if it point. Yeah, it gives us our Spider-Man. And now let's check. We can close it. Okay, now okay, I'm not going to close that. I'm going to close this one. And let's see in our reports. Our reports, the Imgur, it's already here. Blogger, probably it's already here. Yeah, it is. So let's check this one, and let's paste it here. And let's see, we have our image, like we have our video in this case, because Imgur is also a video platform. And if we click here, we have the source, which is this. And of course, when it's done, you will see the pop-up that is complete, and that's it. At the same time, I'm telling you, just you can stop it any moment, just like I do this right now, and you just get the backlinks that have been created till this time. Thanks.